decimals. Look at the figures. Whole is divided into 10 parts and we have 1/10 part shaded. This whole is divided into 100 parts and we have 1/100th part shaded. This whole is divided into 1000 parts and out of these, its one part is called 1000th part of the whole. Children, if you see carefully, these are special type of fractions called decimal fractions. A fraction with denominator 10,000 or 1000 is called a decimal number or simply decimal. Tenth. The fraction 2/10 can be written as 0.2 and the fraction 5/10 can be written as 0.5. This is time we have to hold parts and to write the whole numbers in decimal as 2 is whole number, 0.0 decimal part. Before 0.2 shows the whole number and after point means there are 0/10. For this, we can use a mixed decimal to name a mixed number. 1 is whole number, 2/10 is decimal number, equals to 1 is whole number, 0.2 is decimal number. Children, now we will see the different ways of reading and writing tenths. 4/10, 0.4. Alert box. Always write one digit after decimal to show tenth. 10/10, 1. 5 and 0/10, 5. 7 and 8/10, 7.8. 25 and 5/10, 25.5. The decimal numbers can also be shown on a number line. In the given number line, each part is divided into 10 parts, which denotes its tenths. 100th. This whole is divided into 100 parts, so we write it as 100th or 0.01. For this, we write 2500ths or 0.25. Always write two digits after decimal to show hundreds. 3 and 500th, 3.5. 12 and 1800th, 12.18. 325 and 3800th, 325.38. 1000th. This example show 1000 part of the whole. We can write the number in decimal as 0.001. There are 3 zeros in the denominator, therefore, we write 3 digits after decimal. 8,000, 0.008. 54,000, 0.054. 360,000, 0.360. 8 and 62,000, 8.062. Decimal fraction in place value chart. This is the place value chart to arrange ordinary numbers or only whole number. If we extend the place value to right, we get the place value chart for decimal fraction. Let's arrange the decimal number in place value chart. The numbers is 698.753. 6 arranged in hundreds column. 9 arranged in tens column. 8 arranged in ones column. Point column arranged in decimal point. 7 is the first digit after decimal, so arranged in tens. 5 is the second digit after decimal, so arranged in hundred column. And 3 is third digit, so arranged in thousand column. Now we find the place value of each digit. 6 in hundred is 600. 9 in tens is 90. 8 in ones is 8. 7 in tenth is 7/10 or 0.7. 5 in hundredth is 500 or 0.05. 3 in thousand is 3000 or 0.003. Let's find the place value of each digit. 5. Place value of 5 is 5 into 100 equals to 500. 3. Place value of 3 is 3 into 10 equals to 30. 4. Place value of 4 is 4 equals to 4. 9. Place value of 9 is 9/10 equals to expanded form. We expand the number by writing the place of each digit. It has 5 tenths and 6 hundredths. Number is 75.076. So let's write place value of each. Place value of 7 is 70. Place value of 5 is 5. Place value of 0 is 0/10 or 0. Place value of 7 is 700. Place value of 6 is 6000. So we write. Very good. Let's find the short form of writing decimal number. Let's write the value first. 5 into 100 equals to 500. 0 into 10 equals to 0. 0 into 1 equals to 0. 0/10 equals to 0.0. 400 equals to 0.04. 5000 equals to 0.005. Write down 500 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0.0 plus 0.04 plus 0.005 equals to 500.045. Equivalent decimal. We write same number of digits in numerator after decimal, as many zeros in denominator. Observe the two whole carefully. The shaded parts in both are equal, so we write their equivalent decimal numbers. Since we write the digits after decimal, same as the number of zeros is denominator. So, So you understand about decimal number. Next, we will find some operations on decimal number with the help of money. Till then, goodbye.